We're getting off to a soggy start to the work week here as we get you going this Monday morning. This is a live look here early on this morning at what it looked like back toward pre-owned of Columbia. And that scene is probably one we should get used to, at least those gloomy skies. The heaviest of this rain, though, is going to be coming down mainly this morning as we get into these next few hours. It's already coming down, though, as we wake up into Columbia. As we get all the way to about 9 and 10 o'clock, I think the heaviest of this is going to start to work into Illinois, but still going to be looking at some lingering showers on the backside of this into the later morning hours. But at least we're on the right side of freezing as long as we're south of Highway 24 here, and we're far enough away from it that I don't think we're going to be seeing any impacts, but it is just a nasty start to the work week. You're talking about wind gusts up around 30 and 35 miles an hour, plus all those gloomy conditions here as we get into our Monday. But we'll get into this afternoon. Again, still looking at those showers sticking around. If we see any impacts to the roadways in terms of some wintry weather, and mostly what this is going to be is freezing rain, maybe mix in a snowflake or two, it's going to be up around Macon in some of our far northern counties. That chance is going to be there throughout the day. Latest look at Ice Tracker coming in a little bit heavy here. I think we're going to be looking at about 1/10 of an inch of some ice here in some spots, and a lot of this is likely going to be on some of those elevated surfaces. The rest of us is dealing with that nasty cold rain, and it's going to come down pretty good here as we get into the next couple of hours. This is adding on top of what we've already got out there. It's still going to be looking at about another 3/4 of an inch of rain, places like Fulton back toward Jefferson City. So we'll have to watch some of these low water crossings. We're already getting some reports, at least down into Phelps County, that they're seeing some problems here with some of those low water crossings. A flash flood warning goes all the way until 9:45 here for some of our far southern counties as we get going here this morning. And I mentioned this is going to be on top of what we've already tracked here. Latest look, at least from radar's perspective, already estimating over an inch in places like Camdenton. So again, building a couple of extra minutes, not only to combat some of those wet roadways, but you may have to find an alternate route in some of our southern counties. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast, again, we got another disturbance coming through Tuesday night into Wednesday. Could bring us some light snow showers here for the middle of this week. The rest of the week, though, looks like it's going to be fairly quiet. We got some warmer weather for us, though, as we get into this weekend.